TikTok Lite video download, the cleanest way method that you can do without watermark. So if you want to know how to download videos without watermark, the cleanest way, I'm sorry to break it to you, but you can't. Unless there's two ways that you can do it. Download it the cleanest way without using any websites or whatsoever. First way, it's gotta be your own video. Yeah, gotta be your own video. Download your video, or maybe before you post it, save it on your phone. Yeah, it's the cleanest way you can do. So yeah, that's the first way. If it's your own video. Second thing is you can request the video from the creator itself. So all you need to do is go to creator, chat them, and go to your inbox, and then chat the creator of the video, and ask them for the original clip. Then there you go. You'll be able to use this clip without any watermarks. But if you're gonna ask me that watermark, no, there's no official mention that TikTok Lite said about anything about downloading from other people without watermark. There's no official anything because it will be copyrighted. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. That's the way you can do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or maybe concerns, you can always tap it our question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.